Hey there, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to be practicing a lot in Python. So let's begin. Before we begin, I want you to like, share, subscribe and comment. What you have to comment is that I love Python. Now let's begin. So here I have my questions ready for you. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions to practice. The first one is write a program to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo and exponentiation on two numbers. So let's start. First of all, we'll take input from the user. So I'll say num1 is equals to float input and then enter the first number. Num2 is equals to float input, enter the second number. Now let's perform the calculations. Print, I'll use strings and I'll make it short and simple. So num1 plus num2 is equals to num1 plus num2. Now what you have to do is just copy this and paste it again and again. That's it, and change the signs. So minus, and then we have multiplication, which is a star, and then we have division, which is a slash, forward/, and then we have modulo. Modulo, what is modulo? Modulo is basically the remainder of their division. See, when you divide these two numbers, you will get the quotient or the quotient. But when you do this, then these both numbers will get divided, but you will get their remainder. Okay. And then after this modulo, we have exponentiation. Exponentiation means power, and it is two stars. Two stars together means exponentiation. That means num1 to the power of num2. Let's try this. Enter the first number 5. Enter the second number 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. True. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. 5 into 6 is 30. 5 divided by 6 is, I don't know whether this is correct or not, probably correct. 5 modulo 6 is 5. 5 to the power of 6 is, oh my god. Okay, so at least we got it right. Let's move on to the next question. Write a program to perform less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, is equals to, and not equals to on two numbers. So we have to, like we performed arithmetic operation in this question, we have to perform comparison operators. We have to perform these comparisons between the two numbers. So let's start. Num1 is equals to float input, enter the first number, same for the second one. Now print f strings again. Num1 is less than num2. So this will result in true or false. These all symbols will result in either true or false. The answer will be true or false. So it will check if num1 is less than num2. The number 1 is less than num2 or not. So true or false. So let us do that. Num1 is less than num2. So it will give us the answer in true or false, that whether it is or whether is it not. Again, F strings greater than there you go. Now we come to less than and equals to. Now what is this? What is this gibberish? You might be asking. Less than or equals to. This symbol means less than or equals to. What does this mean is that whether this number is less than or is it equals to the second number. So it will check both. If it is less than that other number, or if it is equals to or the same as the other number. So it will check both, whether it is less or whether it is same as that. It will check both. Same is for greater than and equals to. Actually, I shall just copy paste this because it takes a lot of time. Greater than equals to, and then we have equals to. Now double equals to we use to check whether the two values are equal or not. So it is just used for checking that are the both numbers same, and not equals to means are they different. So is num1 different than num2? So like that. There you go. Let's try. I'll take 3 and 4. Is 3 less than 4? True. 3 is bigger than 4? False. 3 is less than or is it equal to 4? True. 3 is bigger than or is it equal to 4? No. False. Is 3 equal to 4? False. Is 3 not equal to 4? True. As simple as that. Now let's go to the next question. Write a program to check whether the number is given is even or odd. This is a little tricky one. I'll help you out. So first of all, we'll take the number. So is equals to float input, enter the number, and then we have to check whether it is even or odd. So and the formula to know that whether a number is even is the number modulo 2 is equals to 0. Now what is this thing here? This thing means the number divided by 2. See, what it will do is it will divide the number by 2 and it will check that if the remainder is 0. Okay, so suppose it is 6 divided by 2 and the remainder is 0. So if it is 0, then it is an even number. If it is anything other than 0, then it is an odd number. 6 divided by 2 is how much? 3, and there is no remainder. No remainder means 0 remainder. That means it's an even number. But if you do 5 divided by 2, it is 2.5. So that means the 5 is the remainder. So that is odd number. And just to do like this, print number is an even number. Okay, else number is an odd number. Let's check that. Enter the number. 6 is an even number. Well, there we go. It's as simple as that. But I don't think there is need of float. I'll just do int here. Oops. Yeah, so there we go. We got the result that 6 is an even number. Now, let's go to the next question. Write a program to check whether the alphabet is a vowel or not. and vowels are A, E, I, O, U in lowercase and in uppercase. So we have to check for both. For that, we need the alphabet. I'll do al is equals to input, and then enter a single character or alphabet, and then if al is equals to a, and then we have to use or here, or is it equals to e, or is it equals to I, or is the alphabet O, or is it U? So A, E, I, O, U. Then what you do is print F strings. Al is a vowel. Alif means we can add more conditions like this. I'll just copy this and I'll paste it. A, E, I, O and U. So just do the same. Command C and Command V. There you go. Else al is not a vowel. Now let's try that. For that, it's giving me some errors. So what I'll do is I'll just close this once and I'll shut down this. Sometimes it does that, and I'll open it again. There you go. Let's run that. Enter a single alphabet. F. F is not a vowel. Let's try A. A is a vowel. So there you go. It is a very simple. It's very simple programs, and anyone can do that, I bet. Let's get to the last question. Write a program to check that the user is eligible to drive. That is, to check that whether the user is 18 plus or not. For that, age is equals to int, input, enter your age, and then or what you could do is you can just ask the birth state, and then you can calculate the age yourselves, but I don't want to make it more complicated. Print, or actually if the age is less than 18, then print you are not eligible to ride. Oh wait, you can just insert an emoji so that it will be a little better. This one. If age is bigger than or is it equals to 18, print you are eligible to drive. And here also insert an emoji, and there you go. Oops, yeah. Now else, if it is not there, like both are not true, print please enter a valid age. Let's try that. Age is suppose 13, you are not eligible to drive. Age is 24, you are eligible to drive. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, enjoy, bye.